Hello and welcome everyone. This is the house tour. Let's see. Whoops, finger. So non-shaving video. Just quick show of our current housings. And in about 1 month time, we'll be given the keys to our new home. And bear in mind that there's a lot of stuff that we won't bother to clean up, so it might be a bit of a moving mess, might need a bit of a tidying, but that's, hope you'll, accept that. So I'll flip the camera, and I'll see you outside for a tour, and let's get started. So we're outside. This is our house. 80 something square meters. It's very nice. We've loved it. A little shed. Right now I won't be opening it. It's completely filled with boxes. A small entrance. I'm just getting rid of my shoes. Again, a bit messy, all the caps, and we'll go into the living room, and it's quite small. One of the daughter's new toy, which currently there's not much room for, but that's going to be improved in the new housing. The telly. These are my grandparents, the ones that I refer to as my parents. My mom and my dad. Let's move on. So it's kind of a living room and then kitchen all in one. And again, the new house is going to get quite a lot of mess, but we'll be figuring that out as we move. The kitchen, again, a lot of mess. I apologize. Right now I'm heating the oven to put in some nice food. Some pork chops, and this is the garden, and I have already done quite a lot of work here, so it's not looking completely as it usually does. Over here I have the grill on a terrace, and there are the tiles for it. Over here was the porch, and that's been cleaned up as well. The tiles there, and there's the grill. And again, I apologize, it's kind of messy, but there's a lot of projects we wanted to do and just decided not to do it. The jackets, and there's the pair of socks. We just decided not to do it because we wanted to move. So a lot of them we just lived with, even though we were on the ship. That was actually mine when I was 6, and my son has inherited it. And we're going to go through some shaving products as well, because up here I've used that bowl, and there's the PAA scuttle. Over here there's another shaving bowl. And quickly in here, perhaps you could tell there are a few hard puck soaps in here, and some menthol. The Arco's in there, the Williams, the pre-shave from the PAA, and some Taylor Wool Bond Street. Non-mentholated products here. Right here, all the soaps. Need to put this in order. And in here, a birthday card, and all my collection of, mostly all my aftershaves. We go over here, and up here, this is the storeroom. All extra blades, some Alcala Glacial, some eau de toilettes over at the background, the DOP kit, some tubes of Palmolive with menthol, an extra Barossa green, an extra pack of tub of Sterling lemon glacial, and here we have an extra Pina Colada Chillers from Master Soap Creations. Some oil for the racers and hair products, and this is what here I use to when I really want to clean and shine my racers. Some toothbrushes to cleaning all the kits, old ones that I cleaned out in order to use them. This one can be used to scoop soap, and the Fatip. The kids use that to play with. And there's the shaving travel razor right here. Frankentip is in here, and just an empty bottle to do, whatever. Our bed, and then here is the young girl's drawing of her bedroom. Very tiny space this, and she's gonna get a lot more room, and there's quite a lot of stuff in here, and we're hoping that it's gonna be much better for the place that we move. So let's move in here. The son, he has a drawing, and there's a lot of mess in here because whoa, you've been playing together. All kind of Lego, and a nice kind of space, really. Huge bed, you crawl up there, but he doesn't really like it, so we're gonna have to buy a new one. And sort of a working place, but that's not being used either, so we're gonna have to look for an entirely new set. And this is where the magic happens, so to say. This is the bathroom. Yes, it's been laundry day. Hello. So this right here is also part of the shave den. I have some Palmolive shaving cream, Barossa shaving cream, the green one, and then the white one. Here's the Noxzema, and in the back there's some Leer aftershave, and an extra Sterling lemon glacial and Pina Colada Chillers. A lot of blade banks, homemade, and some vintage razors here, and the Parker collection. And right next to usually is the Mule R41, which I just use. And there's also right here this very tiny Barossa. Let's go upstairs. Whoop. Up here, seems like a mess, but this is the drying station, used for manscaping actually. And this is the Mule disassembled, and brushes, and the razor rock, and fine accoutrements bowl. And you might be able to notice that there's the razor blade placed on a magnet. Sorry, forgot the word. And let's see, all the way back there you can see the pearl, and this is the final cut. That was it. There's one last place. So yeah, the shaving then is all over the house, and I hope to the new home to get something to kind of place everything in one. This is where I keep most of the brushes that I use. A lot of sort of, well, mixed and matched products, really. Products. This is new. I'll be reviewing that sometime. And a lot of the stuff you've seen. Some of these are budget-friendly soaps objects, and some of them are objects that have been placed here by design, because I won't be rebuying them. I'll just use it up, and I know when it's there, I'm not gonna rebuy it. And there's some vintage razors here. The Merkur Futur is here. The Black Beauty is here, and then Slim Twist super slim twist is there. So that's the shaving then. And that's actually it for the house tour. So I hope that you enjoyed this little video, and I will be doing a house tour of our new home when it's empty, and also one where we'll set everything up. I don't know if you're gonna be liking to watch it, but if you enjoy it, watch it. If not, that's okay. At very least, I'm Hans. Have a very nice weekend and stay safe, and well, stay healthy. Have nice shaves and keep your family close and love them. Goodbye.